Hey, a trick to cast on to always have enough yarn at the end. It's very, very simple. The only thing you do is you take the yarn, secure it by your little finger, wrap it once around your hand for every 10 stitches you're going to make. So 10, 20, 30, etc. It's not rocket science, we all have different sized hands, but it's safe for bulky yarn, so it's also safe for anything finer than that. I'm going to make 20 stitches, so 10, 20. Slip knot or not. Some people just wrap the yarn around at the beginning. The working yarn goes on your index and the tail on your thumb. We already have one, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and I have an end to weave in. There's usually a bit extra, and there will be a bit more extra the more stitches you're making, because for every wrap there's a bit extra and that multiplies. But the main thing is that you don't run out of yarn.